Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Visual Studio installation error on your Windows. So if you're trying to install the Visual Studio and then you encounter the Visual Studio installation error or you cannot install it, then let's go quick into the process. First is you have to click on the Start button and go to Settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, simply click on Windows Update and click this button right here. So we need to make sure that our Windows is updated. So once your Windows is updated, close out of here. Why do we need to update our Windows? Because most of the time, even if it is just a very simple fix, this can really help you fix an issue. So try to update your Windows first and then you have to install the Visual Studio again. For the next method is if you are using any third-party antivirus software like any of the known Malwarebytes, Avast, or McAfee, or any of the third-party antivirus software that you have installed and you are using on your Windows, then we can try to temporarily disable that because the thing is it might block and interrupt the installation process. So you just have to click on the show hidden icons on the taskbar. Here you can find that I am using the Malwarebytes. So in your case, it could be any of the third-party antivirus software. Simply make a right click and then select quit. So once you have quit the third-party antivirus software, then by that will just, or you have just temporarily disabled that. And after that, you need to try installing the Visual Studio again. For the next method is go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Now here in this command prompt to the administrative rights, type SFC /scan now. It's SFC /scan now, hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will scan and fix all system corrupted files, which is a very helpful fix. Now while the process is going on, you should not close the window. You can just simply click on the minimize button and then continue your other work in your Windows and then just simply go back to it. And once this is 100% completed, close out of here, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after restarting your Windows, try to install the Visual Studio again. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.